Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson. And you know what? I've shown you a number of different hacks. Well, my hack today is how to clean those baseboards. Now, I showed you how to apply the stripper, but here's the thing. The edge is always the problem. We used to have to get that doodle bug and go like this. Not anymore. We don't have to do that. I simply push the button on the end of the handle. Let the machine do the work. Stripper's already there, folks. All we're going to do is just take this little gadget right here and let it run along the wall. Notice that's so much better. That's my hack for today, folks. We just let the machine do the work. You stand back. Hit the button right here. That's all you got to do. Now, one of the things I've already done is I already used my oscillating floor machine, and I removed a lot of the finish. What I now did is I put the stripper on there. Just use this, go along that edge, just like this. Job's done. Come on back. Cleaning with the Academy for another hack.